Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 best
torque wrenches.
Number 5.
Tekton 24335 and 1/2 drive click. Wrench emits click that can be heard and felt when the preset value is reached. High contrast dual range scale is easy to read, even in low light. Reversible ratchet head drives in both directions and measures torque in clockwise direction. Durable all-steel construction has no plastic parts to break or wear out. Ships pre-calibrated to +/4% accuracy and ready to use.
Number 4.
Hazit 5110-3 Connecticut torque wrench 10 mm, tripping accuracy, ±3% in actuation direction. Adjusting the torque value by turning the handle. Secure locking of the setting values by locking function on the rotary rim. Laser labeled easy to read scale with the fine grade 0.5 New Mexico increments. Two trigger signals, haptic, short distance, acoustic, kneeling element.
Number 3.
Trooper torque 1/2 18-5/16 torque wrench, CRV steel gear carbon steel body knurled handle. Teeth per ratchet, 24. Torque range, 20, 150 pounds-foot, 27.2, 204 New Mexico. Dual increment, 1 pound-foot. Length, 18 5/16, 465 millimeters.
Number 2.
Performance tool M195 0-80 in pounds. 1/4 single quote drive torque beam wrench. (0-80 in pounds clockwise or counterclockwise measurement. Ball type handles that localize force, better ensuring accuracy. Deflection beam wrenches do not wear or fatigue over the lifetime of the tool, ensuring better accuracy. Directly measure a variety of torque values when tightening fasteners.
Number 1.
Capri Tools 1/2 inch drive extension breaker bar, 1/2 inch drive, 24 inches long, 377 foot-pounds capacity breaker bar. Chrome vanadium body and chrome multi-head for extra strength. Sockets are securely held due to the spring-loaded ball bearing. Rotates 180 degrees for dynamic utilization in a variety of jobs. Meets DIN standards and comes with a lifetime warranty.